Good afternoon, beta. Share your name and get started, please. See, from the zero level, I'm going to start and I'm going to explain everything where and all problems are there. And one day or chapters you are having problem, you just explain me one time, ask me one time, I'm going to clear that one. Matishwar, you are still there. Yesterday, where were you? I was about to punch you. My expectation from you is 80 out of 80. That boy you are from me. And you are underestimating yourself. Come on. This question came in CBSE 2023 children. Get ready, we don't have time. All the basic ideas I am going to. Podi, good evening, beta. Podi, get ready. Okay, no problem. We'll get back, please. I started and I want a team of 15 mad people who can give me 80 out of 80. Podi, come on, beta. We'll start doing this work. Now look here. What is the question given here? Can you please focus into the work? Come on, go for it and start doing this work. Already, Matesh, I'm going to add you in that 20, 90 mental people group. My best shots are there. So definitely they will be doing hard work with me, smart work with me. Get ready. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Start answering the question. Don't waste your time. Correct, wrong, whatever is there, we will take care of this. Okay? Whatever comment you will be giving, that comment will not be available in future. It will be scrapped. Only we will solve now. Now look here. P of A is equal to 4 by 5. A intersection B 7. P of B by A. This is exactly what this equations, one time I have discussed. Yes, thank you so much. You give magic. This is what I want also wanting. Now look here, beta. Please understand this thing. कि when an event is already occurred. So first case is conditional probability. In conditional probability, what we are doing is conditional probability. In conditional probability, what actually we are doing is two things we are taking, A and B. So B, A means already occurred. This event has already occurred. Okay. So A has already occurred and B will occur. Okay. So if A has already occurred, then A will go down and B will come up. At that situation, we are writing P of A intersection B by P of A. This is called as conditional probability. Understood? Remember this one. This is considered as what, beta? Conditional probability. And conditional probability written like this only. P of B by A is equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. This is the situation for conditional probability. Now look here. This case we are writing for conditional probability. Now we are going to use our this content for solving the question. Our question, first question was, and this question came in CBSE 2023. Okay, now come on, do it and tell me what is the answer coming. Which option according to you is the correct answer? Danish, I hope you are there in the group. What is the correct answer? Yeah, I already received this beta. Question number 18, 31, 38. Yes. With two part. Yeah, I'm having this. Very good. Super Podi. Jashri 7 by 8. Absolutely correct. So 7 by 8 is correct answer because we know that only direct answers, right? That is P of B by A means P of B by A is equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. So A intersection B is what? 7 by 10 and P of A is 4 by 5. So 100% it will become 7 by 10 into 5 by 4. So 2 is coming, so 7 by 8 is the correct answer. So let's go for the next question. Come on, children. This question tells, this is again CBSE 2023 children. Come on, go for it. Very good. Without wasting time, go and solve this question. Question number 2, try. Think 2023 question, if it will be given to you, how you are going to proceed and solve the question. Please kindly check this question nicely. Till then, I am preparing something for you. Come on, try. We don't have time. We will be able to solve it. Come on, go for it. Try this question out, beta. Tanish, are you there in the group? Come on. This video will be private, so you need not to worry. You just focus in writing. Yes, okay. Come on, go for it, Tanish. KB children, please focus. For you, today night also I am going to sit and we will be studying. Today night also, evening also, full time I am going to be with you till tomorrow night, till tomorrow day after tomorrow morning also. I'll cut 10th class and take your class. Okay, Bhuvnesh is telling answer is coming as okay, fine. Podi is also telling. So first person who is given answer is Madesh. Second is given by Podi. So definitely, but we need to check the answer is correct or not because answer should be coming correct. Okay, two people has given and both have given answer as A. So let's see who is correct and who is wrong. Both have given answer. And our question is 0.24. Let's check answer is correct or wrong. So first one, beta. Here, what is given to you? P of P of B by A given. P of B by A is equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. So P of B by A given is 0.6. 0.6 is equal to P of A intersection B, and then P of A is 0.4. So 0.6 into 0.4 is equal to P of A intersection B. Now addition theorem says what? Addition theorem says that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of A is how much? 0. P of B, P of A. 0.4 plus 0.8 minus 0.4 into 0.6. So it is coming as 8 plus 4 will become 1.2 minus 6 4s are 24. So 0.24. So 0.24 is coming. Come on, check this one out. 0.24 is coming. So we will be writing here 0.24 because after 2-digit decimal is there, beta. So after 2-digit decimal we will be writing. So 1.20. 0.24. What is the answer coming? 10 minus 4 is 6. Now here it will become 11 minus 2 will become 9. So which answer now you say? You solved, got A answer, but the correct answer is not A. The correct answer is D. I hope now you have understood how to progress for these questions, beta. Nothing you have to do after solving. The answer is coming as 0.96. Pudi, Madesh, Tanish, everybody understood this one, how to solve this question, beta? So here only this mistake has happened where, okay, no problem. See, this so only I am telling. Test writing means when you are answering the question and I am rectifying this, you will be able, and this videos will be there and it will be very, very helpful for everybody. So now look here. Okay, fine. We'll be discussing this afterwards. We'll go for next question. We don't have time. So now look here, go for this question and your time starts now. Very critical question. Here A dash and B dash is given. A dash and B dash is given. This is 4th minute and we are solving 3rd question. This is 4th minute and we are solving 3rd question. So please kindly go for it very cleverly. Try and solving these questions. All the students here are there.
Hey there, how's it going?
Solve. Try this question out. Remember P of A dash and B dash, how you are going to get. Alisha. Can I solve? Now look at it. P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. Okay, this is the technique. P of B dash is equal to 1 minus P of B. P of, are you understanding? This is the way to solve the question. Try this question of beta. P of A dash, P of B dash. P of A given, so beta 1 minus 2 by 5. So it is coming 5 minus 2, that is 3 by 5. Okay, Malish, try. Okay. Whichever question doubt is there in this part, you need to discuss with me. I will solve those questions. Okay, personally, I will talk with all of you and we will solve the question. So this one will become 7 by 10. So this is PA dash and PB dash. I hope till here everybody understood. A intersection B is this much. Hmm? See, when A intersection B will be given this much, now how we can form A intersection B in terms of negation of part? So when PA intersection B is equal to 1 by 5, then what will be PA complement intersection B complement? Tell me. Because De Morgan's law will be there, P of A union B complement. If you will be writing like this, then it will become A complement intersection B complement. So this has to be done very carefully. Okay, so with the help of this data, first you need to find P of A union B. Okay, this is not a small question. This is seriously NCERT examiner question. Miss, good question. So it is P of A. P of A is our formula. What time we will write? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Come on, children. Here it will become 2 by 5 beta plus 3 by 10 and then minus 1 by 5. Okay, so here 2 you multiply, it will become 4 plus 3. Okay, 4 plus 3 minus 2 by 10. So 7 minus 2 means 5 by 10. It is coming as 1 by 2. So 100% P of A union B is coming. This section is coming as 1 by 2. Now its complement will become what? P of A union B complement will become 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so it will become 2, that is half only it will become. Now what is intersection part? So here if intersection somebody will be asking you means P of A union B complement is nothing but this according to De Morgan's law. So this part is again coming same. Okay, so P of A intersection complement B complement. Is sound not clear? Come on, check. So better this is the formula and this is the way to proceed the question. So here rather than writing, we can be writing P of A complement intersection B complement will become equal to half only. Now P of A and P of B already you got. What did they ask from you, better? They asked from you P of this into P of complement part. So this section will become P of A intersection B complement by P of B complement into here again this part is P of multiplication only they ask now. So multiplication P of this into P of A complement. So this is half. We will write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Now P of B complement A complement is 3 by 5 and 7 by 10. So 1 by 4 into 5 into 10 into 3 into 7. Okay, so here it will become 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. 25 by 7 2s are 14. 14 into 3, 3 4s are 12, 42. So 25 by 42. That's it. This is the victory moment. So whenever this type of question, this is CBSE. So now look at it. This is whenever this type of questions are coming, you need to be very clear about the concept of probability. What I did one by one, I am going to explain you. Modi, focus into the part and understand it. What I have done. First, what I did, beta, I got P of P of A given. P of A given, P of B given, P of A intersection B given. Okay. So what I did, I first got A union B. After getting A union B, the formula was, Tanish, please say, Yes, pre-board syllabus just now I got from Madesh. Madesh is sending me everything with him. Yes, so probability part I am checking probability based theorem, and that part the theorem 2-3 questions I am going to. Yes, Podi also got the same answer. So P of A union B is coming as 12. So beta complement part means the one which is not coming is 1 minus 1 by 2. And beta according to De Morgan's law this part is coming. So half is there. Now directly implementation of formula, our main basic concept was to get this intersection. Once this intersection came, after solving, answer is coming 25 by 42. And C is the correct answer. Absolutely correct, Puri. So now, beta, we are going to go for the next question. Come on, try this question. After that, we will do some 5 mark questions because I saw in your, that's what I was checking. I saw in your that part, it is written that only. Sorry. Probability big mark question is coming. 2 subdivisions are there. So definitely which theorem I have to give you, I know now. Okay? Because from that theorem, definitely question is going to come. So I will teach first that theorem to you. Get ready, beta. I'm going to teach first. These MCQ questions also is important. So only I'm doing these MCQ questions because MCQ question also one part is coming. Now the event E and F are independent. Beta, when two events are independent, just remember when two events are independent. So if somebody will say that when two events are independent, so at the case of independent event, how you are writing the formula? Independent event formula is Independent event formula is P of E intersection F, then it will become P of E into P of F beta. This is called as independent event formula. Okay, so if somebody will be asking you independent event means P of E into P of F will come. This is the case of independent event. Now come on Tanishri, what and all work we have to do for independent event? They told that our independent event P of E given and P of E union F given. Now this will be equal to. Come on, try this question. See, when they have given this one and they have given this one and this question came in CBSE, means how you are going to support and solve this question? P of E plus P of F minus P of E intersection F. Children, take every question as challenge. Okay, nearly 5 to 6 questions more MCQ I will give, and after that we will solve the main part. So now look here, this will come P of E union F. So P of E they have given as 0.3. Independent means this will go, and this point is given as 0.5. So it will help you to give P of F. So 0.5 minus 0.3 is equal to P of F. See how I have taken the step. So P of F is equal to 0.2. So once you got P of F, now beta, this will be what? For independent event, how we are going to write them? P of E by F minus P of F by E. Podi try because I have given P of F, I have given P of E. P of E is there, P of F is there. Come on, try this one. So when beta they both are independent, now this is the very jackpot part question given. If this will come in, seriously problem will come because independent event I have selected some very good questions from you for your children. Please remember this one. So once P of E coming now beta, now you will say that ki ma'am independent event is this. How can I get E by F? Correct now this question will come. Now beta if E and F are independent event, then there is a formula. Remember this formula. The formula is कि when E and F are independent, at that particular time, P of E by F is P of E beta. and that time P of F by E is equal to P of F. This is the most important format. So come on, note down, P of E by F will become that, and P of F by E will become this much. So P of E is coming as how much, beta? P of E by F is P of E, and P of E by F is P of E. P of E is what? 0.3. E by F minus 0.2. It's not matching the parts somewhere. E union F is given. Values I have written right now. It's coming 0.1. Check this one out, beta. It is coming 0.1. P of E by F and F by E. P of F by E will come P of F. Wait, from the set what question I have taken out. Yes, set question is correct or wrong. 0.3 and 0.5. Zero point 0.5 plus 0.2. Okay. This value only somewhere I have written down. P of F intersection will be not there. Common part will not be there. 0.2 is common. Okay, I understood where I have done P of E by F intersection part will be 0.7. Understood. So 0.5 plus 0.2, it is coming as 0.7. So 0.7 part will come D option. Now look at it. One simple technique I am applying for solving this question. Now look at what part is given as P of E by F will become P of E. Okay, and P of F will become P of F minus E by P of F will come. But here beta, this section 0.5 and 0.2, this P of F is coming now 0.5 and 0.2. So it will become 0.5 plus 0.2 part because E union section is there and P of E is coming. So this part will become 0.7. 0.7 is 7 by 10. So 1 by 7 by 10 part will come. Understood or not? This section will come. Okay? Why? Because here E by F minus F by E will be there. Just directly subtracted. So this section is going to get multiplied to this. So 0.1 by 0.7 part will be there. 0.1. Yes. So it will come as 1 by 70. Did you understood here? Directly formula application I have done for this 0.5 plus 0.2, it is coming as 0.7. So 100% answer will come 1 by 70. This is independent formula. Okay. So now we will be going for the next one. So I am going to start next part 2023 questions, but first I am going to teach you one formula. After that I am going to start these questions. Now come on, go for it. I am starting one part because 5 more question Podi is telling. Podi no. What is this? Madesh is telling 5 more questions are coming. So I am going to start first 5 more questions for you. After that only we will be solving next part questions. Get ready for it. Base theorem I am going to start. Otherwise you people will kill me. Okay. Get ready everyone. Just one concept I have used here and solved that part. Simultaneous part I am going to teach because otherwise problem will come for me only. Now look at it. One formula I am giving you. Based on that we are going to solve one question. This is NCRT question. First I am giving you the concept and then I am solving the MCQ questions. The concept is two events are there, A and B. Now formula I am starting. A and B, two events are there. Now P of A, how I am solving the question and writing in shortcut. First I am teaching you how to go for the concepts. So P of A is equal to 1 by 2 and P of A union B will be equal to 3 by 5. Okay. Now P of B is equal to P. Now how you are going to find P? How you are going to find P? Just like last question I have done now. So first case is mutually exclusive. Last part I have done mutually exclusive. What is the meaning of mutually exclusive? Means intersection part will not be there. In terms of mutually exclusive, intersection part will not be there. So there P of A intersection B will become 0. So here P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B is equal to P of A union B will be there. So P of A union B 3 by 5 given equal to P of A 1 by 2, P of B we don't know, that is P, and this part will become 0. So 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2 is coming as 3. So this is a case of mutually exclusive event. Same case will be coming for independent. I'm just explaining you so that you people will be able to solve the questions better. So this part is called as mutually exclusive. In mutually exclusive part, intersection will be 0. A intersection B part will become 0. Now what will happen at the time when we are discussing independent event? How independent event is different from other part. In independent event, how we are writing? Now look at it. In independent event, P of A intersection B will be there. Okay. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. So here it will become 6 minus 5 by 10. That is coming as P of B. So it is coming as 1 by 10. So P of B is coming as 1 by 10. Now P of A intersection B part is going to be there or not there, that is different. But here P section is coming because they are telling कि when it will be mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means A intersection B part will become 0. But when independent will be there, at the case of independent, intersection will be there. Intersection will be there. Event will be independent of each other. So only I stopped that question and first I am teaching you this part. Okay, what is the meaning of exclusive and what is the meaning of independent? So in independent, this will be existing, but this and this will be out of order for each other. Understood? So out of order means what here? P of A intersection B is P of A into this. And what is the meaning of P of A intersection B, beta? P of A intersection B will be written as P of A intersection B can be written as P of A union B minus P of A minus P of B. So little bit shortcut I am going, but I am explaining this part. How I wrote this one? Because independent event is P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Okay. Now this formula is the addition theorem. So only directly I got the answer there. Now here you check. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now beta, this one you will shift to this side. Then what is P of A intersection B? P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. Just everything got reversed. So here P of A intersection B is there in the question. That part also in the previous question it was given. So what we did, P of A intersection B will become P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B is equal to P of A into P of B. That's it. So P of A value is given in the question. P of A value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus P minus 3 by 5 equal to, this is 1 by 2, that is P by 2. That's it. And this will give you P of B. So this is the difference between independent event and mutually exclusive event. So wherever A intersection B is there, an independent part is there. Because independent section will be there, then we can use this formula and substitute and solve. So here it will become P minus P by 2 equal to 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So it will become P by 2 equal to 6 minus 5 by 10. So P is coming as 2 by 10, P is coming as 1 by 5. So this is the second case I have solved. So please remember this one. This is a way of solving beta. This is a way of solving three basic formulas you are going to apply there. The first basic formula is not A, P of A, offering the event. Little bit fast I am going because your exam is very tight. Please slow means it is not going to work. P of A, P of not A is equal to 1. This is one formula you remember. Another formula is P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is second formula beta. So this is the most important part. I hope everybody understood. Can you tell me, did you understood till here? I'm seeing before itself, before my class started, you did not give me this chart. After that only you are giving me this chart. Podi, Madesh, Tanish understood na beta. Based on that formula, only previous question 1 by 70 I got. So that question, I hope now you people might have understood how I, in shortcut, I have solved that question. So this is exactly that part. But when I have discussed this, P of A given, P of B given, P of B dash. Sorry, previous question. This section. So here P of E by F, it will become P of E. P of F by F, it will become P of F. Here P of E union B means we have to find first P of F by intersection formula and then independent event. I hope you might have understood this one. So now we are going to go back to our major theorems because target is bigger questions. Okay. So first I will target bigger questions, then we will target small questions beta. This is one part I taught. Now we will be going to our questions. Independent event till here I hope you might have understood. Independent event and exclusive. What is the difference between them? Did you understood beta? Come on, say, did you understood independent and that part? If you say yes means I will proceed to the next part. NCRT, total probability. Okay, now one question I am going to ask from all of you. Total probability is there in the syllabus? Total probability. Okay, very good beta. So total probability, if it is not in the syllabus means I will directly start Bayes theorem. Total probability, one time should I teach or not, you inform me. Otherwise I'll start Bayes theorem directly because Bayes theorem means one of a sure short question. Conditional probability, independent event, mutually, that is multiplication part and Bayes theorem. This 4 section done means it is like jackpot for us. A question will 100% be attempted from there. So now shall we start the basic question? With the help of the question itself, I'm going to explain you what is Bayes theorem. Are you all ready for it? Children, get ready. We are going to start this. Okay, so now look at it up. We'll start from the basic one. See, in Bayes theorem, what and all work we are doing? Total probability is not there now, so we will not do total probability. We will be doing those questions which are actually there in the questions. So just understand one story I am telling, and based on that story, if you write any formula, na, you will not understand. It's a very simple thing. But I'm telling you one story. In the basis of that story, I'll explain everything in that. So let's check this one out. In a gold factory, machine A, machine B, and machine C is there. So 3 different type of machines are there. Okay, I'll tell you the story, and we will do like this. So this is machine A, machine B. This is machine A. This is machine B, and this is machine C. So in a factory, 3 different type of machines are there with them. Okay. After that, what they are telling, machine A is making 25%, machine B is manufacturing 35%, and machine C is manufacturing 45%. So beta, what is machine A manufactures? It is manufacturing 25% of the total output. Okay. B is making 35% of the total output. C is making 40% of the total output. Then only 100 will come. So 40% of the total output. Till here it is done, beta. Now they are making total bolts. So you know now bolt making. So they are making total. So machine A make 25%, machine B make 35%, and machine C make 40% of the total bolts. So now beta, in that, out of their output, so whatever, this is exactly manufacturing. Okay. Now whatever they manufacture, defects are coming. Defects are there. So what is the defect? Here defect is 5%. Machine A defect is 5%. Machine B defect is 4% and machine C defect is 2%. Till here the question is clear for the everyone. So remember this one beta. First is manufacturing. How much they are manufacturing? 25%, 35% and 40%. And here defect is 5%, 4% and 2%. Okay. Now a bolt is drawn at random from the product. So this is exactly going to give some product, this will give some product and this will give some product. Now what is there beta? Ki a bolt is drawn at random. So your product is the bolt what you are making. So one bolt is drawn at random. So a bolt is drawn at random. Okay, so one bolt is drawn at random from the product. So if the bolt drawn is found to be defective, now the bolt what you are taking out is defective. Bolt drawn is defective. Okay, the bolt what you are taking out is defective. What is the probability that it is manufactured from machine B? Probability that it is manufactured from machine B. So what is the probability that it is manufactured from machine B? Total question is understandable or not? Simple part. 3 machine in a factory. Machine A is producing 25%, machine B is producing 35%, machine C is producing 40%. Defect beta, defect means the whatever product they are making in that defect is there. 5%, 4% and 2% are defect. Now they are taking out one bolt and whatever bolt they are taking out, it is defective. Remember. So now how to solve it? Now beta, how Bayes theorem will be used here and how we are going to utilize the Bayes theorem, that is the major section. Now look here, first so beta, we are going to write all the event. What and all events are there? So in this, first we will select the events. What and all events are there? Story to you understood now? First understand the story and then make the line and then draw it. You will definitely get the answer. The first part of the answer is E1, E2, E3. I am going to take E1, E2, E3 and A be the event. So what I am going to write is, I will start with E1, E2, E3 and then A I am going to take. You see very nicely, I have taken E1, E2, E3. What is E1, what is E2 and what is E3? After understanding the story one by one. So first what is E1? Bolt manufactured from machine A. Next one beta, what is E2? Bolt, machine A. Now bolt manufactured from machine B. E3, bolt manufactured from machine C. 3 machine work over. Now what is A? A is bolt is defective. So this was the major case now. The bolt was not good, the bolt was defective. So till here, bang on work we have done. One by one storyline understood. So now beta, in that entire storyline, one by one we will understand. So manufacturing. What is the amount manufactured by A? 25%. So it will become 25 by 100. Correct now. So here bolt manufactured from machine A is 25%. How much defective is coming beta? 5%. 5% is defective. Understood? So what is P of E1? Based on that, we must get P of E1. Now. What is P of E1? Can anybody tell me what is P of E1? It will become 25 by 100 because 25% manufacturing is done. P of E2, machine 2, it is how much percentage beta? 35 by 100. P of E3, machine C, it is 40 by 100. So this is manufacturing. Once manufacturing is done, 25 by 100, 35 by 100 and 40 by 100. This is done. Now beta, we have to find which one is exactly. Now we need to find defective. Okay. Now what is the meaning of defective here? Now how I am going to utilize this one? Check this one out. So P of A, P of B, P of E1, P of E2, P of E3. Machine manufacturing part, this much. Now beta look here, defect. Defect of E1. That means what beta? Ki when you are manufacturing from machine, first machine, defect how much it is coming. Understood? And in that part, we learned that ki when they were finding the defect, the first machine is giving 5% defect. How much is the first machine giving defect beta? The first machine is giving 5% defect. So it will become 5 by 100. The second machine, when manufacturing is done, it is giving how much defect beta? Second machine is giving how much defect? 4%. So 4 by 100. Third machine is giving how much defect beta? So third machine is giving defect of 2%. So 2 by 100. This much is the work. After this, what they are telling is machine B defect they are telling. So probability, what is the final part of the question? Probability that it is manufactured from machine B. So now we need to find probability that it is manufactured from machine B, and here only Bayes theorem is working. Now how Bayes theorem is going to work? See the formula. Now beta, in this concept, so probability that machine B is working. Now beta, what is our machine B? Our machine B is E2 and defect is B by E2. Correct now? How much manufacturing is there into defect? This will become E2 part, okay? A by E2, sorry. Because A was defect. They told amount of defect. So here it is coming A by E2. This is from machine B. But beta, all are from factory. So the factory is exactly producing E1 and its amount with defect is E1 plus E2 from machine to its defect by its manufacturing part plus machine E3 with its defect PE3. So that means what beta? This is exactly the Bayes theorem, how it is working. Machine B defect, if I have to find, means how you will be finding whatever input parts are there. Machine A, machine B, machine C, it will give you total production. So this is your total production. Understood? Including the defects, total production. Machine A, total production. Machine B, total production. Machine C, total production. And this one is production of machine B. Understood? B by total is coming as the one which is manufactured by machine B. So beta, just now story only is there. P of E2 is 35 by 100 and its defect is, that is B. All we will write now E1, E2, E3, sorry. Here it will be all A only because defect they are asking now. So from machine I wrote A, B, C, but it will all be A only. So now look here. So B part is this one, so it will become 4 by 100. Now the story over. First part is 25% manufacturing is there. Its defect is 5 by 100. Second is 35% is there. Its defect is 4 by 100. Next is 40% is there. Its defect is 2 by 100. And this is what Bayes theorem is working on. So I hope I have explained you about Bayes theorem. Any doubt is there? Personally do message me or personally chat with me. I will be explaining it 2-3 times. But understand one thing better. Unit. So how many? Just like a story I am explaining you. Like 3 units are there. A, B, C, D. Come on, take 4 units. Now its manufacturing part, this is manufacturing part is X, Y, Z and W is there. Okay. Now defect. Rather than defect, we will be talking about material used. Material used is A, B, C, D. Okay. Then how we are going to find for this one? So if percentage they are giving, we need to convert it into percentage. But always remember, beta, this 4 adding together will become your denominator. Understood? Denominator part is total production and which part they are asking, that part will become their numerator. So that's the basic idea we people are using to solve the questions. I hope you might have understood this section. So whenever we will be solving the question, we need to understand which section they have asked. Are you ready for the next question, beta? Are you ready for the next question? This is exactly how we are solving a question. Now another question I'm giving you so that you can get the idea. Come on children, say what time did you understood? Personally message me, Tanish. Today I'm going to go through your what you call pre-board questions set so that I will be sitting with you and solving the questions. Model paper 108. Yeah, I saw that data. That is the model test, model question papers. Yeah. I put it into checklist. I'm going to check that one later. So now we are going to go for second question. First time I hope you might have understood machine A, machine B, machine C, machine B by machine A plus machine B plus machine C. That's it. No other one. Now this time I'm going to ask from a different level question. The question here is, listen very carefully. Three urns are there. Urns means like a bag. Okay. Three urns are there. This time you itself try to solve the question based on that, and then I will explain. Okay, so three urns are there. Urn number A, I will separate it out. Urn A, urn B, and urn C. So just like that, we'll talk it like, okay, fine. Yes, Sadhna. Now look here. So this is A, B, C. Three bags are there, beta. Three urns are there. In this, you need to check. They're telling first bag is exactly having what ball? Six red, four black. Here red is six, black is four. Urn number one over. Urn number two, four red, six black. 4 red, 6 black. Come on. Next, last part. 4 red, 6 black. Now 5 red, 5 black. That's it. This is exactly the story of the urns. Okay. So now these are exactly better urn A, urn B, and urn C. Story over. After that, what they are telling, one of the urn is selected. That means out of 1, 2, 3, any one urn is selected. Okay. So one urn is selected. So any one urn we are going to select. Okay. From all the three urns. What they are telling, if the ball drawn is red, so you have to pick which ball? Red ball. If the ball drawn is red, 100%. If the ball drawn is red, what is the probability that it is drawn from the first urn? Boss, any idea? Simple idea, can I tell you? First urn by first urn plus second urn plus third urn. Just like the factory question we have done. Second factory by first plus second plus third. Sorry, first machine manufacturing by first plus second plus third, or second machine manufactured by first plus second plus third. In this, first urn content by first plus second plus third. So now beta here again we will write event 1, event 2 and event 3. So first off we will convert it into event 1, event 2, event 3. Now beta here what they are telling, your probability is to find red color ball. So here A is what? Their A was defect. Their A was defect. Here A is selection of red ball. Understood? So selecting ball drawn is red. So we will be writing selecting the whatever ball drawn is red. This is your situation. Ball drawn is red. Got it? Now, beta, this is not a big thing. E1, what is E1 can be? So first earn is chosen. We are going to choose first earn. First earn is chosen. So when first earn is chosen, what is the total probability of choosing first earn? The total probability, how many earns are there, beta? 8, 2, 3. Means 1, 2, 3. So 3 earns are there. In that 3 earn, if first earn will be chosen, then its probability will be P of E1 is 1 by 3 because total 3 earns are there. Now second earn chosen, then it will become 1 by 3 because third earn is chosen, so P of E3 is equal to 1 by 3. So this having equal chances. Now we will go for next one beta. Once you have done all the three status, now you tell me what next work you are going to do. Then you have to find red ball. So what is the probability of getting red ball? Red ball will be coming what? Probability of getting a red ball when first earn is chosen. So red ball, how many are there? 6. And how many is the total number of balls? 6 plus 4, 10. Red ball, when second earn is chosen. How many red balls are there? 4 by 10. Third earn is chosen. What is the probability? 5 by 10. So these are the three situations done. Now beta they are telling choose first earn. So when we will be choosing first earn, what we are going to say? Why we have chosen first earn and our selection is red. So just as a reverse formula will come. What is the reverse formula beta? P of E1 into P of A by E1. Now add all these three. P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2 plus P of E3 into P of A by E3. That's it. Now we can just add this one out. What is this one? 1 by 3. And how much is red ball here? And then here, same thing, 1 by 3 into 6 by 10. Then 1 by 3 into 4 by 10. Plus 1 by 3 into 5 by 10. That's it. Work over. This is Bayes' theorem. First bag by first bag plus second bag plus third bag. That's it. So you need to plan very nicely. Red color ball from total. So first earn is having 3 red ball out of 10. Then it will become 3 by 10. First bag is having 6. So 6 out of 10. So here it will become PA by E1 will become 6 by 10. Here it will become 4 by 10. That will become 5 by 10. So I have explained this one, and when you will be solving this question, solving is your part. So I have just written this one. Children, is it easy Bayes theorem? Now recent questions, what Bayes theorem has asked, we want to focus there because 100% the questions will come like that. I have everybody understood. Come on, say quickly. Did you got this? What is Bayes theorem and how we are going to do? 2, 3 more questions we will be solving this. It will be very beneficial for you. Did you got till here? Hello, beta. So I hope this is exactly the way we are proceeding with Bayes theorem. So one more story I'm telling you, you need to solve it with Bayes theorem. Let's see, company manufacturing part, like that question they're asking more. So you need to be very focused to handle this type of question. A company has two plants of manufacturing scooter. Okay, two plants are there. Let's think about plant 1 and plant 2. So this is much easier in compared to that of the previous one. So first what we will do, we will be taking two plants, plant A and plant B. So a company has two plants, plant A and plant B for manufacturing. So plant A is producing. So but first we will understand the game line. This is plant A and this is plant 2, second one. Okay. Now plant A manufactures 70%. 70% of the scooter is manufactured by plant A and plant B is manufacturing 30% of the scooter. Done? Next part beta. So plant A, at plant A, that is plant 1 we can say, 80% of the scooter are rated as standard quality. This is producing 70% of the scooters and it is rated as standard quality. Remember this one. So this standard quality rated as 80%. Understood? And plant B standard quality is rated as 90%. Done. After that, they are telling that a scooter is chosen at random and found to be standard quality. So our main check is standard quality. So what is A? Rated as standard quality. So this is our check, standard quality. So we need to check standard quality. So A is chosen for standard quality. Now beta, here two plants are there. So since two plants are there, that means our E1 and E2 will be what? What should be E1 and what should be E2? Means scooter from plant A, plant 1, scooter from plant 2. That's it. Now, beta, scooter from plant A manufacturing is how much? Easy. In the last part of the question, they are telling कि whatever scooter you are choosing, it should be from plant 2. Okay, so this is our target. Plant 2 is our target. So scooter from plant A, P of E1 will be 70% done. P of E2 is equal to 30%. Now, beta, standard quality. Which one is having standard quality? What is the standard quality of plant A? So A is chosen as standard quality. Standard quality of E1 plant 1 is 80%. So 80 by 100. Standard quality of plant 2 is 90%. So 90 by 100. But we have to find standard quality of plant 2. So standard quantity of plant 2 by A is equal to P of E1 into P of A by E1. Now beta, P of E1, that is E2. Plant 2 they told now. So we will write E2. Now P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2. This is the format. And then same Bayes theorem we are going to apply and solve it. So E2 is what? What is E2? 30 by 100 into standard quantity of E2 is what beta? 90 by 100. Now here, how much is the standard quantity? Production is 70 and standard is 80. Production is 30, standard is 90. That's it. And this will be equal to P of E2 by A. And nobody can stop you. Like when you will be solving these type of questions, you will definitely be getting the plus point of solving these type of questions. Only solving sections I am not doing because it is going to waste time. I am just generating the concepts. So children, did you understood this question? What I have given you, this question recently got added in the examination. So these type questions of Bayes theorem we have to do. Now complete compiled questions we need to do better. So this is what about probability. Content says there. MCQ questions which I have started solving. I'm going to send you those MCQ questions in your new group where you will be getting all the materials and questions later. Are you all ready for it? I'm giving one break and I'm calling you people. After that again I'm going to start the class. Okay.